Let's start with a shirt. Let's lay out the templates on the fabric. Let's cut. Move the scissors along the cut line. Amazing! Let's sew the shirt pieces together. Keep up the good work. Let's iron out all the wrinkles. That's all. Fit on the doll. We did it! Shorts! Let's lay out the templates on the fabric. And now we'll cut out the details. Amazing! Sew shorts. Ready. Let's iron out all the wrinkles. That's all. Let's try on the clothes. Oh! Amazing! Let's put the templates on the fabric. Let's cut. That's all. Sew socks. Ready. Now let's start ironing clothes. You're doing great! Let's try it on as soon as possible. Keep it up. Let's create some cool sneakers. Let's assemble the top of the footwear. And now let's apply glue onto the sole. Let's pull the lever down to glue the parts of the footwear. Let's polish to a shine. Drag the sponge and polish the footwear. Let's try on the clothes. Let's try it on as soon as possible. Oh, that's all. Grab the templates and drag them to the fabric. Let's cut out the details. That's all. Let's sew the hat. Don't stop. Let's try it on as soon as possible. Hooray! Jewelry.
Oh!
Oh, Alice looks stylish. Now let's go to the grocery store. All done. Hooray! Our doll is invited to a birthday party. Let's sew her a beautiful outfit. Let's start with a blouse. Grab the templates and drag them to the fabric.